Hi there, this is Manny with Classic Auto Repair. Going to take a quick tour of the shop, kind of show you some of the cars that we have in here, the projects that we're working on. It's a 1966 Ford Bronco that came in for upgrades. Purchased at a auction, and the customer wanted it more drivable and safe for local driving. And what we did there was rebuilt the whole front end. The front axle was given disc brakes over the original drum brakes that it had, and so that required all new hubs. Put some new lockers on it. Also ran some new cups on the rims. They were all rusted out, and new lug nuts on it as well. The whole front end, like I said, was rebuilt and upgraded to disc brakes. We then took the manual master cylinder, the single reservoir master cylinder, non-power, and added a power vacuum brake booster, and the master cylinder that works with disc brakes, which has a dual reservoir, a front and a back. Added all new metal lines, and I added a brake adjuster valve for the rear brakes down below. Next thing was the steering. We upgraded the manual steering to power steering. So I added a power steering box, power steering pump, all new shaft went in with all the joints in it as well. So got all that hooked up. New cooling system, radiator, electric fan, relays, new air cleaner, conical to accommodate the location of the booster, carburetor rebuild, new metal lines for the fuel system, new ignition distributor coil, spark plugs, battery, quick disconnect, new pulley for the crankshaft to drive the power steering pump. Overall, I just went around, checked all the electrical, fixed bulbs and bad wiring on it, added a new soft top. It's a removable soft top. It had no vent wings or door glass. It just had the shell of the door. So we put new whiskers, all new insides, new window regulators, channels, all the felts are new exterior moldings. And again, the vent wings were completely missing. So we added all these parts in, new exterior and interior door handles, new exterior mirrors as well. A rear view mirror was added in it. So just kind of an all around, just getting the vehicle up to something that can be driven around, and a little bit more practical with the power steering and better brake performance. Over here we got a 64 Corvette. It's in for some door issues. It's also getting oil service and just some tuning, but primarily it's this door here. It won't close correctly, so I have ordered all new door latches, the interior parts, new latches here, and that'll get me fixed up on the door closing. Real nice car. It's been in here a couple of times, primarily for mechanical, getting it running better. I also fixed some cooling situations in it before, alternator. Looks like it's got a antifreeze leak here, so I'm going to check that thermostat, see if that gasket is failed, and come up with a solution there. I had a water pump put in on the last visit to fix some cooling issues as well. Pretty nice car. It's getting a new glove box door on this visit as well. So I've got the old one taken out, and I've got a new one coming. Over here we got a 68 Camaro. It's got the 383 stroker engine in it. I put a new radiator in this on its last visit. Fixed the air conditioning, added a new compressor on this. This has the belt serpentine system on it, which is real nice. It cleans up the engine compartment with just one drive belt. They work a lot better. And if you can afford the expense, it usually adds about $1,000 to the installation of air conditioning to get all the components and all the brackets plus the labor. It's a nice car. It drives really well. Just took it on a road test this week, made some notes. Gonna do a service on it, tune it up, put some spark plugs in it, make sure that it's running the best that it can. It's got the nice console pack in it. air conditioning, and all the power features, automatic. Real nice car. It's got some electrical issues. I'm going to fix the rear tail lights not working right on this one. And then over here, the 1968 Shelby Cobra. This is the GT500 KR. And we're just wrapping up the last of it. I got the brake booster rebuilt. Harman Brakes did it and sent it back to me. Now it's ready to go back in. I also have the master cylinder redone. It has been painted cast iron to look like raw steel. If you don't do that, then you end up with stuff like this where it flashes off and turns rusty. And while I have the booster out, I'm gonna go ahead and put a new master cylinder in it and get that fixed up. The car did have factory air conditioning, but it was missing from under the hood. So everything you see here has been sourced and then restored and added to the car. So all these compressor, all the hoses, the front condenser, all the metal lines, brackets, these idler pulleys were very difficult to source and find. Took me a couple of months, and I got them all on there now, and the belt is on there. Now I can finish up the system there. I've got the valve cover loose so that I can put the brake booster back up in there and the master cylinder. Carburetor's been rebuilt, ignition's been redone, new valve cover gaskets, struts, shocks, coils on the front, and a big list, about $35,000 worth of parts and labor to get the car to this point that it is now. It was a rolling car when it came in here, did not run well, brakes were locked up, so complete rebuilds on the brake system, tuning, a lot of mechanical, a lot of electrical, a lot of parts that were missing. Same thing here, exterior door panel, door handles, interior door panels. All of this is new. It was missing. There was no panels on it when it came in, so all this stuff was added. Inside, I've been doing upgrades. It had no radio. This is an original 1968 AM radio that's been rebuilt and functioning. Added the air conditioning vent over on the right side. And again, the passenger side door panel, kick panels. Fixed the glove box console, steering wheel. Just working through it now, making adjustments where it needs it. I've got the moldings for the front grille to install and drill out some holes for it. Trunk has all been restored. Inside's got the new liner, spare tire. Exhaust has been redone on it, and I'll be working the tail lights, getting those finished up, and getting this car wrapped up. It's been in here for several months going through the process, and my punch list now is getting pretty small. So I'm happy about that, so I can get the car back to the customer and back a spot open for the next car. So this is just a few cars that we have in the shop right now. It's always good to see them all kind of in here, different colors, different styles. And because of the weather, we don't have a lot outside right now. This is our hail season, bad weather time, so everything's under the metal roof of the buildings. And now it's gonna start getting hot out there. So anyway, this is Manny with Classic Auto Repair, showing a few cars that we got going on in the shop, a couple of projects. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.